Alright, so you surpassed 10 juggles, you're working your way towards 50. You're in the second stage of your juggling journey. Today we're going to go over 5 exercises to get you there. Alright, first exercise, we are using the wall and juggling the ball against the wall. So we're light on our feet, let the ball bounce, hit it against the wall. You can let the ball bounce again, get a few touches, off the wall again. Boom, boom. Use your thigh, use your feet, only one bounce. Get a few touches, after the bounce, back against the wall. And keep chasing the ball wherever it goes. Don't be stagnant, be on your toes. Constant repetition. You might hit the ball too hard, it might be coming at you, just adjust. Get at least 2 touches. You can get as many as you like before you hit the ball back against the wall. Sometimes it might hit a weird spot in the grass. You go to your right or to your left, just adjust. Move your feet. Get your touches. Play it against the wall again. Repetition. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Right and left foot. All parts of the body. Outside of the foot, inside of the foot. Laces. Just keep it going. Get in a rhythm. Keep practicing this day in and day out. You're going to be able to do this non-stop, just like you're seeing right now. It's easy. You can do this all day. Put in the time. Most important thing, remember the fundamentals, technique, mechanics we showed you in the first video. Ankle lock. For this thing, you really aren't pulling your toe upwards, but you can right here. You're juggling here. Boom, boom. Toes pointed up, ankles locked, bent knee, loose. I'm loose. Free flowing. Feel it. Get in a rhythm. Enjoy it. You're getting better. Alright. Just keep doing that day in and day out. And a little challenge, once you've mastered that, no more bounces in between. Get tighter on the wall. Now no bounce. All surfaces of both feet, right and left, inside, outside, laces. However many touches you want before hitting it back against the wall. Now you can challenge yourself. You move further out, you're just going to have to hit the ball a little more pace. Just like you saw there, ball almost got away from me. I just ran after it. You all drop the ball. Don't give up. Keep going. Another variation you can do with wall ball juggling. Have a starting point, say to the left on this side. I'm going to work my way down and just hit it off the wall, progress down, and work your way back. Here we go. notice with that, moving down one side, I hit it with my left and receive with my right. I'm working my way back, I hit it with my right and receive with my left. Most important thing, you gotta utilize both feet, dominant and non-dominant foot when you're juggling. Very, very important. And that'll help you progress, get to 50 and achieve 50 and then surpass it. And now you'll be working towards 100 and then 500. All right, we're working our way towards 50 juggles. No more starting with the ball in your hands. We got to start with our feet from the ground. So here's a few tricks to get the ball up. We'll start simplest and work our way towards some difficult ones. First one, sole of the foot, roll the ball backwards and flick it up. The same foot. Here we go. For this one, you kind of want to get under it and chip it up a little bit when she pulled it back to you. Boom. See that backspin on it? See it from this angle? Boom. You're not going to get it right off the bat. Just keep practicing it. Repetition every day, every day. Boom. Next one. Very similar. Sole of the foot, roll it backwards. Opposite foot, you're chipping it up. Don't think so much about it, just do it. It'll come naturally. All right, what's another one? Pull it back, sole of the foot. I'm gonna hop over with my left and chip it up with my right. Here we go. Similar technique, I'm just coming over the top of it with my left foot, but I'm still kind of chipping it up with my right. Pull it back, step over, boom. Pull it back, step over, boom. All right, what's another one? I'm gonna pull it back with the sole of my foot. I'm gonna pull it towards the left of me and kind of chop it up behind my back. All right, what was that, 4? We'll do one more. This is my favorite one. It's called the Ronaldinho flick up. It's definitely the most difficult, but practice it day in and day out, and in a week or so, you'll be able to do it too. Boom. Love it. All right, next exercise. All right, this next exercise is foot to thigh juggling. It's actually more advanced, but if you can master this, you're gonna be well on your way to stage 3. You're gonna be surpassing 50 and on your way to 100 real soon. All right, here we go. Key to this is keeping the ball close. You can't be going all over the place. If you can do this, you know, you have some good ball control. And you're not gonna have it early on. You just gotta keep working towards it. Repetition, persistence, same as the first video. Those are key. Consistency, day in and day out. But just get in a rhythm. If you mess up like I just did, just keep going. Don't worry about it. Don't pick the ball up and quit. Juggling's all about messing up and continuing to persist. But see how when you're normally juggling, you want the ball like this. I've taught you that in the first video. Close control. You try to keep it below your knee, really, but absolutely below your waist. But here, you know, you're going foot to thigh, so that's above your knee. But what it's teaching you is close control, because it's still close to my body. I still have the ball under control, and actually, my foot is putting it right on my thigh. And that's why I can do it. So it's actually demonstrating how much ball control you have. I'm losing focus. I'm not going perfect every time. But that's all right. Just get back into it. rhythm, control. Enjoy that one. All right, another fun one. I kind of think of it as a pyramid. You got your right side, your left side. We're going 1 on the right, 1 on the left, 2 on the right, 2 on the left, all the way to 10, and then we work our way back down. Let's see if I can do it. 1, 1, 2. Oh man, I messed up on the 3. I did 2 on the right, so I did 2 on the left, and then I went back to 3. All right, but you get the drill. That's a fun one. Practice it every day. All right, on to the next exercise. All right, next exercise, I want you to start juggling and walk with the ball. I know it sounds crazy, but I think it's gonna help you keep the ball under control. Learn to keep that ball tight next to you. And then the next progression from that is to find a hill and try to juggle up it. It'll help you get that ball with the backspin on it, coming back to you. So here we go. You're gonna be at stage 3 in no time.